You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this Latin phrase, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing Latin expressions that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning Nulla Poena Sine Lege. Nulla Poena Sine Lege is how you say it. It literally translates into no sentence without law, a legal principle which states that one cannot be punished for doing something that is not prohibited by law. Nulla Poena Sine Lege. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support, much appreciated. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.